So morning guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi for those of you who are new. So today's video is sponsored by the one and only Luvme hair. Okay, we're looking like a 10 out of 10 minus nothing. We did not do much to this wig. The only thing that I had to do was just to separate the curls. Basically wear this wig, wait, unbox this wig, wear it and separate the curls. And this is how gorgeous I am looking. So of course it is a glueless wig. It is a C-part. It is beautiful. I feel so pretty. Yeah, they don't call me curly memes for nothing. When I'm wearing a Luvme hair wig, I feel so good. Okay, so without any further ado, you guys, let's get straight into today's video.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once.
So this is the Luvme hair box. It is purple and silver with a cute bow. I'm gonna show you guys all the goodies that they sent me before I show you the wig. So they were kind enough to send me a comb branded wig storage bag, branded Luvme hair clipper, and an HD wig cap. Now this is the wig straight out of the box. I want to show you how it looks without me doing anything to it. So the curls are nice and soft. This is a deep wave wig, and look at how shiny these curls are. Look at how the curls move when I shake this wig. It shows that these are great quality curls. Okay, look at this, look at this. They are nice and bouncy, very shiny. This is a C-part, so they did everything for you. It is a C-part wig, and look at the lace. Look at that. They did the pre-plucking, literally everything for you. And it's so soft inside. Oh, it stretches, so which means this wig is going to be very comfortable to wear all day. Look at that. It stretches. This is so soft. Okay, so it has this branded wig band. This wig band is adjustable. It also has the smart clips. Okay, I'm here for these smart clips, which means this wig can fit 99% of all head sizes. Okay, so you can clip it here if your head is a little bit bigger, medium, and of course small. Okay, and guys, like, I am so blown away by literally how soft this wig is. Look how nice and stretchy it is. Like, it is nice and soft. I have a small head. I'm going to use this last one, and the wig is still nice and stretchy. Okay, look at that. I love the fact that this wig is actually pre-everything. They hot combed this parting nicely for us. I love the fact that this C parting is also nicely elongated, which is going to look like this wig is literally growing out of my scalp. Okay, I love that. I love the softness of the softness of the lace, and they also pre-cut this lace for you. Okay, so let's put this wig on, and I can't wait to see how it looks. The deep waves are deep waving. They're doing what they're supposed to do. So let's put it on. Straight out of the box, this is how the wig is looking. Okay. Straight out of the box. Straight out of the box. This is how the wig is looking. Okay, the curls are moving. They are nice and bouncy. This wig is secure because of the smart clips, because of the headband. 10 out of 10. I'm happy. Yo, wow. So guys, I'm going to use a little bit of serum just to tame the flyaways. Just a little bit of serum, nothing hectic, just for the flyaways. I'm not going to be hot combing anything because literally guys, this wig came pre everything. So I really love these curls the way they came, but we are just going to separate them just a bit so that you can see how big this wig can get. Not too big, okay? It can get really big, but we're going to do it nicely. You can use this wide tooth comb, but I'm going to start with my fingers. So let's separate the curls. Oh, they feel so soft. Look how easy it is to separate them, okay? And if you want to define them, just use water and conditioner, or you can even use water only, because this is the greatest quality. They're just going to bounce back just like that. Oh, look at that. Yo guys, I'm happy. I'm going to Pretoria tomorrow, and trust me, I have to wear this wig. My mom needs to see me with this wig. I'm going to visit her. There is absolutely no way she cannot see me with the Love Me Hair wig, okay? Because, honey, this is the greatest quality. Yeah, no, whenever I'm wearing a Love Me Hair curly wig, I always say they don't call me Curly Memes for nothing, okay? Because this is a glow up. This is a game changer. I look absolutely gorgeous. I love everything about this wig. It is a 10 out of 10 minus nothing, okay? Get yourself this wig. Do check the link in my bio and get yourself this wig.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Just some me time. Keep doing what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Just some me time.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram at Curly Memes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous deep wave wig from a Love Me Hair company. Until next time, you guys, bye.